video is my favorite quarantine lip products, which would be fairly similar to my non-quarantine lip products, but we all know that our makeup game definitely suffers when it's really just for the cats. It's pretty bleak. That being said, I do enjoy a good lip pampering product. So my first product that I'm going to show you is from Amore Pacific. It is their Dual Nourishing Lip Serum, and I've actually been getting these for a while. They sent me the first one. Oh, and side note, some but not all of the products in this video were sent to me complimentary from various brands, but no one is paying me to give my opinion on any of these products, and I would never recommend a product I didn't actually like on my channel. So this is something that was actually sent to me, and then I went ahead and purchased another one when my original one ran out, and it's just a delicious lip serum. It's really light and it absorbs so well. It has a little doe foot applicator, and what I love about this is that once it absorbs into your lips after, I don't know, 10-15 seconds, you can't feel it again, which I love. There are so many products that go on, they're supposed to be a serum, but you can really feel it on top of your skin, and in my opinion, a good serum just absorbs directly into the skin. It has some nice vitamins and nutrients, and ideally some hyaluronic acid will plump things up and deliver those vitamins that they're designed to deliver into the skin rather than sitting on top of the skin, because who needs that? As you can see, it looks like pretty much nothing on my lips, which is exactly what I wanted here. The next thing I want to show you is from Fresh. It is their Sugar Rosé Tinted Lip Treatment. This also has SPF 15, and I mean, clearly I am pale as hell, so I need sunscreen. I'm an SPF fanatic. You can tell how much I like this product because all I have left is this little nubbin right here, and it's well loved. So that's pretty much like 2 coats, I guess. Let's see what it looks like built up a little bit. Now this is a little bit more oily. It feels like it has more lip conditioners in it, and it's going to keep kind of a protective barrier on top of the lips. So this is great if you're going out in the cold or the heat and you want something protective over your lips, plus it has that SPF, which is really great. I am gonna take this one off to show you the next couple of products because I want to give them all a fair shot. Equal representation under the law. Bound to happen in America someday, right? So this is from Clarins. It is their Hydra Essential Moisture Replenishing Lip Balm, and I am a huge fan of this. It absorbs so well into the skin, and it feels like nothing. It's just your standard lip balm tube, and it feels so good. So that's what it looks like, just the tiniest bit of sheen once it goes on. And honestly, you guys, just 3 days ago, I woke up with my lip split down the middle on the bottom because I guess I just got dehydrated and my lips were super dry in the morning and I moved, so they split open. And this is the only thing I used on them just to keep them moist, and I didn't have to use any Neosporin or stuff like that that you want to avoid on your lips, and it healed up perfectly. You can't tell there was ever anything there. All right, the next thing I want to show you is also from Clarins. It is their Lip Comfort Oil Intense, and I have been a huge fan of Clarins lip oils for a while now. Actually, I have a couple right here. This is another one of their Instant Light Lip Comfort oils. This one is the mint one, and this one is nice and slightly plumping because it's got that minty tingle, and this one is nice because it just gives a tiny hint of that red color. But yeah, as you can tell, I am really into Clarins products because they just work really, really well, and I like that. So when I got this one, I was expecting it to be a little bit closer to those than it turned out being, but I am so happy with this product nonetheless. It's a little bit more like a lipstick than those. The applicator is slightly different. And look how much color you get just from that. I like to put a little bit on and then sort of push it around the lips. So as you can see, this one goes on very sheer. It is buildable, but I kind of think it looks best like this, with just a little hint of color. And I'm gonna take that off. And my lips aren't even really getting irritated because all of these products are so great at conditioning, and that's definitely something that I am prioritizing in the products I'm wearing right now. I'm not wearing anything if it makes my lips even slightly uncomfortable. Like, why? We're staying at home, who cares? All right, now that I have nothing on my lips again, I'm gonna show you my next product, and I think this has been my favorite out of this whole bunch. And it was also surprising because it's Avon, and when we think of Avon, we tend to think of like our grandmother's Avon. Nope, this is amazing. This is a collaboration with The Face Shop, and this is their Ink Tattoo Lip Tint. This color is Rose and Rose. The applicator does pick up a ton of product, and if I were into a really heavy lip right now, I would probably use all of that product, but I'm just taking off most of it and only using what's in the little center portion of that doe foot. And that right there is what it looks like. No blotting. It doesn't even feel like I have lip balm on my lips right now. It's amazing. So that is what that one looks like. And honestly, this might be my go-to product through like all of spring. I do want to show you one last product. This is also from Avon. And it's another lipstick. This is their Soft Matte Liquid Lip in Resolute. And look how pretty that is. Ugh. I hate to take this off because it looks so good and it feels so good, but I really want to show you this one as well. So that's what that one looks like. And honestly, this might be one of the only liquid lipsticks I've ever tried, maybe like out of a handful that I've tried, that don't feel absolutely terrible on my lips when I first put them on. This actually doesn't feel like anything, which I've never experienced before with a liquid lipstick. It also doesn't feel like it's gonna crack, which usually these do, especially if they're matte like this. So I am super impressed with this one. And that's pretty much it. I just wanted to do a quick video to show you guys some of my favorite lip products that I've been using that don't feel too heavy and quite like a full face of makeup does, especially because when you're stuck at home, you do want to put yourself together and you do want to feel good about yourself, but if anything feels like too much trouble, it can be overwhelming. So these are some of my favorite go-to products, and I hope you guys have found something new today that you want to try out. If you want to see more videos like this one, let me know in the comments below, and thank you so much for watching.